And as I said at Mzee's burial, it will not be me to wreck Mzee's party. It will not be Sifuna. I made that promise to Mzee, and I want to repeat it here. The advice that you've given, Mama, I want to tell you, there is no one in ODM. It doesn't matter how many times, how badly you've insulted me. There is no one in ODM I will not sit down with. I want to give you that assurance. You have asked us to sit and talk. I am very prepared. It doesn't matter what has happened between us. As Mama has said, Mimi, I'm going to extend that olive branch because Mama, now, wewe ndio huko. Umetuambia. Water under the bridge. It doesn't matter what you have said to Sifuna or how badly you feel about me. I am prepared to sit down and iron out our issues. The only reason sometimes it spills out, Mom, because we are also human beings, you know. Sometimes mambo inachemkanga na ni mbaya saa ingine, lakini umetuguide vizuri. Mimi ninakumbuka Baba used to consult everyone. As you have said, I have told people stories. You would go to a village in Tana River, you find a kamzee there, unaweza kumwangalia uone huyu mtu ni bure, umdharau. Saa ile unatoka, huyo mzee amepigia Baba simu, sema huyo kijana ama ni mzuri, ama amenipeleka vibaya, ama amenipeleka vizuri. Unalanda hapa Nairobi, unaona Baba anakupigia simu, Edwin, where are you? Kuja nyumbani. Umetoka Tana River, umefanyaje ule mzee? So that message that you have given us, always consulting, always being firm but fair, and always remembering the principles upon which this party was built. I think with that has always been our North Star. And if we follow that, I don't think there's going to be any reason to worry.